I've seen thousands of homes, and these are some of the most overlooked home maintenance items. Something we all forget to do is to look up. Make sure you check those exhaust fans, particularly in the bathrooms, because they suck up a lot of the moisture and therefore collect a lot of dust. It only takes a few minutes to take them down and clean them off. Another item are air filters. They should be replaced every 3 months, but we don't. So when was the last time you changed yours? Ovens can be a little bit of a nightmare, so if you haven't cleaned yours recently, you might want to take a look and tackle it now. Another item that never gets maintained until they're broken is garage doors. This happened to me recently where the spring broke and I was trapped in my garage. So if you haven't maintained your garage in a while, schedule a service and have them check the springs, check the chains, and lube it up. And just like garage doors that get open multiple times a day, light switches are being turned on and off multiple times a day by multiple hands. So make sure you check those light switches for cleanliness, because I guarantee they could use a little help. Follow at Alice T. Chan for more home renovation tips, inspiration, and a peek behind the renovation.